With prices moving constantly and quickly, trading the markets can be emotionally demanding. The success of your trading strategy will rest on your ability to control these emotions over time. There are several key emotions you must control when trading the markets. The first is fear. Fear of losses is the trader's greatest enemy. It can stop you from implementing your strategies and hamper your ability to capitalize on trading opportunities. Control your fear by first practicing with a demo trading account. The second is greed. Greed can tempt a trader to make irrational trading decisions based on their drive to bank a big profit. Greedy traders often ride uptrends too high and get caught out by stinging reversals or run their losses on the false belief that the trade will turn around in their favour. Control your greed with a comprehensive trading plan and stick to it. The third emotion is disappointment. When a trade does not go the way you had predicted and a loss is made, it can be difficult for a trader to pick themselves up again. The best traders learn more from their losses than their gains, and so should you. Use losses to become a better trader and don't repeat your mistakes.
Discipline is an integral part of any trading strategy. Without discipline, a solid trading system and proper risk management lose their value. The good news is that discipline can be mastered. All that's required is some willpower on your part. This involves carefully studying the markets, especially the ones you are trading, and mastering your self-control. In order to master discipline, you must practice patience and be able to control common emotional impulses like greed and fear. In more technical terms, proper discipline involves having and sticking to a trading plan. Create a schedule for your trading. Know what signals will make you enter or exit a trade. Ensure that you apply proper risk management by sticking to your stop loss and take profit orders. If you stick to the rules without trying to outsmart the market, you will find out that discipline is a prerequisite for success.